Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to activate Google Message setting in order to block spam messages and report spam messages on your Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Message. I'm going to click on here to open up my Google Message. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the top corner. The next thing you need to do is to go to message settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on general. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you look for spam protection. So click on spam protection right here. Then make sure you turn on this particular button right here. Turn it on. That's simple. Then you can simply go back to your messages. Then from here, if you have any spam messages right here, you can simply hit on report button and the message will be reported and the account will be blocked from sending you further spam message. So what you need to do when you open up the message, click on report spam. Then report as a spam, make sure you check this box. Then click on yes. Blocked. It's as simple as that. So this particular line will no longer be able to send you messages again. So basically, this is how to activate. Google Message setting in order to block spam messages on your message inbox in Android phone. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.